Ay, nako. Muni. Ani-anhig mo albal para makarelax. Pero first day pa gani, stress na. Good morning mga inday. Good morning mga auntie, mga uncle. It's another day. And this time mga inday, nag-i-impake na kami ni Dudong, yung fam. At yung mga gamit namin, it's been quite a while na dito kami sa province namin mga inday. At gusto na ni Dudong umalis dito. So, impake na kami. Dito sa airport mga inday, naglilinis na rin ako ng kwarto namin kasi gusto ko na pag iwan ko dito, pagbalik namin. Ay, hi Dong.
Hello. Buntag.
You're packing?
Yes, we're packing. Mayong buntag, sweet.
Buntag kuya.
So, finally.
Yes, finally, after
One
1 month here, 1 month and 3 days.
Yeah.
We got here on December the 18th, and now it's January 21st.
Yeah, and since we got here, you've been having phlegm.
It's been fun, yeah. I had a cold.
Do you have the mark on your 2 legs for us?
Yes, I fell on Christmas Day.
Yeah, Christmas Day.
2
And
marks here.
he's been fishing in the rocks in United States.
All kind
and
of stuff never failed.
yeah, only here.
One
in
slip
Manila.
went down.
So yung mga gamit namin mga inday. And this is my bed and this is Eric's bed. So I take all the beach sheets mga day. Tapos yung teddy bear that he gave me a surprise. It's very big mga day. Oh, so I can't. It's very big dong. I cannot bring that to condo because my bed, my room in the condo is very small. So how much more if I'm going to bring this one? He's gonna take all my bed. So I'm going to leave that here. And I'm going to get all the bedsheets din mga inday para malabahan ng kapatid ko. Ayan, dyan na siya oh. So ito mga inday, maglilinis pa ako sa CR para pagbalik ko dito mas malinis din.
He said, "Are you leaving?"
No, I'm coming back, Teddy Rec. Ted Rec. Ted Rec. Kunin ko na to.
I go ahead and have breakfast.
Okay. Get your milk. I have not yet get your milk.
Okay.
Thank you Dong for my iron.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Are you going to bring that airbed?
No, I'm going to take off the air on this bed.
She's gonna close it up.
Yeah.
Your luggage kuya
Yes.
tells me that my heart will not coming back.
This one's still here.
Oh, that one?
Yeah, we still have that.
Are you going to bring that also?
No, we were going to leave that there, and the thing in the cabinet. So
We have the cabinet here. All the motorcycle helmets.
no, I can bring one helmet.
One helmet, okay.
Yeah.
So who will be the one to bring your motorcycle there in Cebu?
Maybe my friend Honey. Oh, this is fun.
We're trying to get out of it.
Yeah, yeah. We're going to get the air. This is a water.
It's running.
I'm drowning!
Kanimo amahan nga langit mo. Diyos ka nga kamahanan nga nagbuhat sa langit mo sa iyo. Pugton, anak ng mo si Hesus Kristo. Kanasalit. Amen.
Amen.
Balik mo gani na unsa man ni sila oy. Nakahila ka gani.
Group hug. Group hug. Group hug. Mama.
Thank you,
I
Lord.
miss you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye, Mark Mark. Bye, sir.
Bye bye. We're finally in Dumaguete mga inday.
Into Magedi. We made
Siya
it.
na yung pinatayip ko mga dahil kasi medyo nagkasagutan kami kanina. Pero ngayon okay na kami.
the blocks, and I can see the planes taking off.
Yeah.
It seemed like every 10 minutes there was a plane taking off.
Yeah. And also the students who wants to be a pilot, they do the training here too. Lunch muna kami mga dayala. The rice is many. The rice is many. Ay, excuse me. Eric is eating his favorite chop suey. Good morning guys. Nasa Southview Hotel muna kami nagpalipas ng gabi kasi hindi kami makapag-renew ng visa yesterday. Kasi ang daming tao dito sa Dumaguete mga day. Tapos kailangan iwan yung passport namin. Passport ni Eric dito sa Dumaguete. So ayaw niya iwan yung passport niya. So hindi na lang kami nag-renew dito sa Dumaguete mga day. So nag-stay muna kami dito sa Southview Hotel. Eric's having breakfast. Daing na bangus.
Oh, that's all.
Huh? Huh?
Eggs.
Yeah, we got the scrambled egg. I got
That's
sunny side up. Coffee and Milo. Ah, you don't like that. Here's the big kid hanging on the hammock. Oh my gosh.
They can hold us up. We're not that heavy.
I am. You're 75.
I'm not 75, huh?
What? 72?
No, probably 76.
And go back. I remember your weight. At least 80.
We'll see.
But your goal is 75.
I've got to get back. I've gotten weaker since I haven't exercised.
Aalis na kami dito sa Dumaguete mga Inday, pero mag-check muna kami ng fins. Kasi gusto akong bilhan ni Dudong Eric ng fins. Where are we going?
We're going this way.
No, it's not this way. Oh, I thought you already know that we've been there. Ah, here. So, turn here. Okay. You're welcome. Ano si Dudong mo dahil na wrong way. Wrong way. Bilhan niya ako ng fins. Let's look for the fins. Thank you, Dong. So we're going to take care of his visa when we get back in Cebu mga day.
Yes. Same day.
Same day because we didn't know the visa immigration here in Dumaguete is very little and it's very hot
Very hot.
and gamay ra jud kay mga Inday tapos maraming foreigner and we need to leave his passport.
Yes. Surrender your passport for 3 or 4 days for them to possibly lose it. No.
So in
Dili.
Cebu, Dili. So in Cebu, we need to when we going to renew the same day mga Inday. The same time, just 10 minutes ano?
10 minutes.
It's finished. But we're going to go first in Albual.
Fish. Ishta.
Isda, yeah.
Passport is 10 years.
Yeah, passport 10 years. Finally mga day, andito na kami sa Tampi. Uwi na kami ng Bual-Bual. Your eyes look tired, huh? Not doing anything.
Oh yeah, there's some opinion for the 20 minutes.
Labas na ang bus. Kami nasa gilid pa magkaabutan. Sabihan ko ha. Will let us out. Ulog car.
That's why he's like that.
No, naguba na nga ito ba? Ayaw nila kaming palabas nang mauna. Ayan, there's a guy we were going to. We're going this way.
Left turn right. That's right. Goes back to Cebu.
Yeah. And then we're going to pay another. We're going to pay another entrance fee here, environmental fee. I just paid the fee there for 30 pesos. I don't know if they were going to ask us here again. Or maybe not.
Nobody's paying.
Okay.
Oops.
The bus coming. Here we are coming, Walwal.
Mualbua. I finally learned how to say it. Mualbua.
Bianis lang. Mual-mual.
Mualbua.
Mual-mual.
Mualbua.
Mual-mual.
Reminds me of the ducks. Of the goats. Mualbua. They were coming across LA.
Yeah. You want me to drive?
No, I can make this hour.
Okay.
It's good driving like this.
Yeah. So this is the main road,
We're good.
National Highway.
Good to Naka?
Gutom na ka?
Uh-oh. Yes.
We've been driving. Why?
Ever since we left the barge.
Yeah. It's already a while. Alas 4 na mga day. Umalis kami sa Dumaguete alas 12. Pahina kasi magpadala si Eric Nag-chill ride lang kami day.
Welcome to Mualbua.
Finally, welcome to
Welcome to
Mualbua.
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 Welcome to Malmol.
Okay, let's find a good restaurant now.
Yeah. Hello mga Indoy. Kumangga kami mga Indoy.
Wala mo signal.
Buti na lang ito yung na-damage. Yeah. Alright guys,
And then I'll get the soap. I'll bring the black bag.
we're here in Mualbua.
Mualbua, we're here.
Finally, we're here and this is where we stay. So, malaking area dito. Maglaro kami ni Eric. Ayan, hapon na. And this is our room. Yeah, there's a key. Ito yung room namin mga dahil. Itong yung room namin. So, pili lang sa Eric dito mga dahil kung saan siya matutulog. Basta, kahit sa bahay, hiwalay kami ng bed mga dahil. So, hindi kami nagtatabi ni Dudong Eric. May kitchen, may heater, libreng kape na stick. Oh, okay lang. Para lang nasa bahay. Alam yung mga inay, first time talaga nangyari sa amin ngayon na nanginginig ko sa kahadlok mga day. Kaya sala dito na mo, kasalanan talaga namin kung bakit kami nakadisgrasya mga day. Si Eric kasi, gusto ko mag-drive mga day. Sa Eric sabi niya, okay lang daw, okay lang sa kanya mag-drive. Siya lang mag-drive mga day. Ngayon, andito na kami talaga sa Mualbua mga day. Naghahanap na kami ng restaurant. Kasi pareho kaming gutom. Alas 8 pagod minangaon. Ngayon, alas 3 na mga inday. Maghanap kami ng restaurant. Sabi ko, andito naman tayo sa Mualbual. Kanang di sa tamuha dito sa ato ang tulugan. Maghanap muna tayo ng restaurant. Tapos kay si Eric mga day, may nakita ng restaurant niya, pangagian raman. Sabi ko, next time, pag may nakita ka, hunong ka, ayaw pag kuan ako. Sus, kalit mo siya liko dahi. National Highway Road, kalit siya liko. Lumiko siya ng diretso mga day. Ayun, yung motor pulpog. Pero siguro yung motor mga ina, nanginig talaga ako. Yung motor wala siguro yung resto, hindi siguro kompleto, tumakas lang. Yung rim ng sasakyan ng mga inday, buti na lang, konti lang talaga ang damage sa amin. nangurog jud ko mga inday. Sinabi ko sa kanya na mali tayo doon, mali ka doon, mag-practice ka. Kahit na sasabihin niya mga day na matagal na siya panahon nagda-drive pero mali talaga niya. Sabi ko sa kanya mga day, mali talaga niya. Sabi niya, sige, next time. Hindi man kasi yan masyado good siya nagpuan good. Check na niya siya na dito mga day. Okay lang, kit lang siya niya. Hindi mo siya kaayo good nag-signalize ba? Ano baho? May ibang smell. Pero malaki yung commode nila. Baka sa dental, bagong pintal mo na. Kaya kumukuha ng gamit namin. Ngayon, nangurog ko ganina. Ako na lamang yung gikaon ng daghang. Ito yung pinili kong lugar mga inday na ibo. Kasi ang dami-dami kong nakita na mga gandang hotel dito mga day. Kaso lang, nakikita ko sa review na langas daw ba, maingay. So dito, kay iyang tao na yan, hindi pa yung gusto ng hindi mo yung gusto ng maingay mga day. So dito na lang kami. So walking distance yung beach dito mga day. Pwede kami maglakad na Eric. O hindi man yan siya pala beach. Ako lang mga day. So tomorrow may dive ako tomorrow. Ayan na. Do you need help dong? Oh yeah, that's your workout.
Yes, ma'am.
Workout. Marumi soap. Yeah, can I have the key? Because I'm going to get the laptop.
Okay.
Uy, ang ganda sana ng sunset, oh. Ang ganda yung sunset, mga day. Kaso lang, nangurog gagapon ko sa mga pangtabo. Buti na lang talaga, mga inday. God bless talaga. Thank God talaga, mga day, ba, na hindi lala yung pagkaano. Ito yung damage, mga day, oh. Ito yung damage. Buti lang talaga, kunti na yun. Pero di na gini makuha. Kaysa kung ano yan, sa motor na yan, sa ligid. Yung rims naman, mga inday, oh. Tukit ang rims, oh. Natugid akong rim. Ako dyan gainan si Eric. Oh, manggod ka. Di man kakabalong musig na light doon. Yung ditch surat nagliko. Ditch nagliko, mga day. Ay, nako. Muni. Ani-anhig mo albal para makarelax. Pero first day pag ani, stress na. O kanindot. Pero unta sa sunset pa ngayon day. Umato ko rin sa kuan. Ewan ko sa Eric kung hindi ba yan pagod. Kasi most of the biyahe namin pupunta mo albual siya ang nag-drive. Andito yung restaurant nila mga inday. Libre pala dito yung free breakfast included mga inday yung itong pagbuko na ito. Bali bayrom lang talaga yung kinuha ko mga inday. 2 gabi yung bukod ito. So tingnan namin ni Eric kung magustuhan namin yung lugar. Mag-extend kami. Pero pag hindi, uwi na kami ng Cebu. Tayo!
Hey, darling.
Thank you. So which bed you were going to sleep?
Take the small one. You can have the big one.
No, I can have the small one. You have the big one. I can put my stuff in here.
You have the small. The big one. I have the small.
Really? I'm okay with the small one.
I'm okay with the small one too.
Huh?
This one you prefer. This one, you can stretch out. You can do more. You know how you like to move at night. You like to move. You can do more of that over here, huh? I'm a still sleeper. In other words, you know.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Where's the crayon? Thank you for treating her. She treated Salamat Han. She paid for lunch and she paid for the room.
Thank you for my fins.
Yes, she gets fins, weight belt, and goggles.
So mga inday, I paid the room here. I paid yesterday lunch. I
Yes.
paid also today. And I will be paying more because he will going to bought me a fence that is more. So
She paid for our room in Dumaguete. Yes. 2 nights in Mualbual.
buwal yan.
Salamat Han.
You're welcome dong.
My honey bunny takes care of me. I take care of her.
But I was really shaken today. First time to be in the beach. Yeah. It's cloudy, so we cannot see the sunset. But there's a foreigner there playing volleyball. Toink. Kabalik na kami dito sa kwarto namin mga Inday. It's about 6 minutes away from the beach pala. Hindi pala siya walking distance mga Day. Medyo malayo pala. So galing kami doon sa beach. Naglingkod-lingkod lang si Dudong. Ako mga Inday naglakad-lakad sa beach. Tapos pagka alas 7, wala naman kami magkitang bituin. So akala namin uulan. Kaya bumalik na kami dito. Si Dudong nasa siya mga Inday. Akong kipahugas ang tayo. Kipahugas kayo tiil. Baho ka siya tiil mga Day, baho ng kanyang paa, so pinahugas ko siya. Yung kama namin, separate pa rin yung kama namin mga Day, as all you know. So it was a very tiring and full day mga Day na first time talaga yung motor na kasalanan namin mga Inday, kasalanan ni Eric mga Day. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya na na bumalik tayo. So, naghanap siya ng lugar mga Inday kung saan siya maka-turn right away. So, kay galantaw ko ni Madi, tumingin ako sa kanya, tumitingin siya sa side, sa mirror, sa gilid, hala, ni kalit, na siya gliko. Kaya mo niya niinga na mo nabila mga daddy. Pag ana, na motor, merong motor, malakas yung motor mga Inday, ayun. Nabanggaan may kanikalit siya gliko. So, sala, doon na mga Day, nakuyawan ko ba, nanguro ko maayon, parang adlaw mga Day, kay abin ko mo siya ang motor. No, naghanggal ang tapalodo sa iyang motor mga Day. Mga mo ang sakyanan na dapat may gani ka gamay ra gyud tayo kada kay gamay ra gyud ang damage na mo mga Inday yung ang motor. Abi na ako mukaso ang motor mga Inday pa. Pagbalik pag naog na mo kay ni takas ra day ang motor kay usa pud balik po siya makusuga. Grabe gyud ang lakas ng motor mga Inday na nag-overtake siya sa amin tapos pag-overtake niya sobrang lakas. Siya po, itong taon na itong nasa CR na din, diretso po, sabi ko, kasalanan mo, kasalanan natin, hindi kasalanan ng motor yung kasalanan natin. Kaya national highway ng gudong ina yan, diretso mo gudong nagliko mo nabiglang, grabe nang urog dito, but I don't think kadala kasi walang nangyari. Yung tao na yun, siguro walang kompletong documents, kaya tumakas na lang mga ina, kahit ang kasalanan namin. So, first time nangurog ko mga ina sa sasakyan namin. First time na nangyari sa sasakyan na muntik na kami madisgrasya. So, magpapahinga na muna ako mga Inday kasi ako yung magwawash up pagkatapos ng Eric. And 2 days kami dito sa Maalbual. Sorry. Tingnan natin yung reaction ni Eric mga Inday kasi first time niya na napunta dito sa beaches. So, pahinga muna kami. Thank you so much.